we're going to show you how to do an ID copy on the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe printer. So this is the card that we want to copy. So let's place the card onto our flatbed scanner. You can see there are also pictorial instructions on how to copy an ID card. So we'll place the ID card somewhere over here as shown. Close the lid. Next, press on the ID copy button on the control panel. Once the first side is scanned, the control panel will indicate P2. You need to flip the card over. Flip the card over and put it at the same location where you first placed it. Once that is done, press the resume button. And so the ID card is copied. So this is how you do an ID copy on the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe printer.